The first atomic theory was suggested by a Greek philosopher named Democritus. All things are composed of small, indestructible particles which move eternally in infinite empty. This particle is called atom. After Democritus' discovery, there were more discoveries by several scientists that led to the modern atomic theory. The first person is John Dalton. He presented his atomic theory as: first, each element is made up of tiny particles called atoms. Second, atoms of a given element are identical mass and properties. Third, combination of atoms have a specific ratio. 4. The atoms themselves are not changed in a chemical reaction. Dalton's atomic model is represented by a solid ball. Discovery of electron. Thomson did experiments on cathode ray to explain that atoms were not indivisible particles. From his experiment, cathode ray bends toward positively charged, so cathode ray consists of negatively charged particles, later called electrons. Thomson's atomic model. He suggests that there are negatively charged particles in the atom and also be positively charged particles to balance them. His atomic model like the raisins in a plum pudding. Ernest Rutherford suggests the idea of the nuclear model. He observed the effect of bombarding tin gold foil with alpha radiation from radioactive substance. The results showed that most of alpha particles went through with no or little diffractions. However, some small numbers of the alpha particles were deflected by more than 90 degrees. Another word came backward. He proposed that most of the mass of the atom is concentrated in a positively charged center of nucleus surrounded by negatively charged. The positively charged particles in the nucleus are later called protons. In 1932, James Chadwick discovered the neutron, which is a neutral massive particle that also resides in the nucleus. The view of an atom as we know today, the protons and neutrons in the nucleus take up very little volume but contain essentially the entire mass of atom. A number of electrons equal to the number of protons move around the nucleus and account for most of the atom's volume.